Today we are comparing, ordering, and rounding numbers to billions. Please copy the standard benchmark indicator on a clean page in your math notebook. The student will read, write, compare, and order numbers to billions. And compare two whole numbers by representing the numbers with concrete objects, pictures, representation, or by using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. You can pause the video here to copy down both SBIs. Rounding large numbers. Rounding is one way to find a number that's more convenient. Rounding will give you the closest convenient number according to a given place value. Example, round 82,439 to the nearest hundred. There are 4 steps involved in the rounding process. Step 1, find the place value, and the place value we're looking for is hundreds. Step 2, look at the digit to the right. That digit is 3. Step 3, if this digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to the place value digit. If it's less than 5, leave the place value digit alone. 3 is less than 5, so it will not change. Step 4, change the digits to the right to zeros. The rounded number is 82,400. 82,439 rounds to 82,400 when rounding to the nearest hundred. Try it. Round 132,874,015 to the nearest hundreds thousands. So, step A, the hundreds thousands digit is 8. The digit to the right is 7, and yes, it's greater than 5. And then D, write the rounded number. Remember to change the digits to the right of 100,000s to zeros. So we're going to get 132,900,000. Round each number to the given place. E, round 941 to the tens place. We know there's a 4 in the tens place, so we look to the right. It's a 1. It's less than 5, so we're going to leave the 4 as it is, and then just put a 0 in place of the 1. So it rounds to 940. F, round 103,555 to the thousands place. We can see there's a 3 in the thousands place, and there's a 5 to the right of it, so it's going to round up to 104,000. For G, round 1,806,090 to the 10,000s place. If we look at the 10,000s place, there's a 0 there, but there's a 6 to the right of it, so it's going to round up to 1,810,000. For H, we have 967,063,402 to the 100,000s place. Again, we have a 0 in the 100,000s place, and we have a 6 to the right of it, which means it's going to round up. So we're going to get 967,100,000. For I, we have 416,027,971 to the millions place. And if we look in the millions place, there's a 0, and to the right of it is also a 0. So it's going to round to 460 million. For J, we're going to round 457,032,333 to the 10 millions place. So we look up and there's a 5 in the 10 millions place. There's a 7 to the right of it, so it's going to round up to 460 million. For K, we have 384,203,670,159, and we need to round it to the 10 billions place. There's an 8 there, and we look to the right of it. It has a 4, which is less than 5. So it's going to round to 380 billion. Next, we're going to look at comparing and ordering numbers. To compare numbers with the same number of digits, start at the left and find the first place value position that has different digits. The number with the larger digit is the larger number. The symbols greater than and less than are used to compare numbers. Example, compare 87,812 and 87,349. The numbers have the same number of digits. Start with the digit to the left. Step 1, compare the 10,000s digit. They're equal, so move to the right. Step 2, compare the thousands digit. They're equal. Move to the right. Step 3, compare the hundreds digit. 8 is greater than 3. So 87,812 is greater than 87,349. This can also be written using the greater than sign as shown below. Try it. Compare 21,009 and 21,090. Compare the digits starting at the left. So they both have 2's in the 10,000s, then 1 in the thousands, then a 0 in the hundreds, and then the tens, there's a 9 and a 0, and we know 9's greater. So, for the place value positions that the digits are the same, it's the 10,000s, the thousands, and the hundreds. Then, we know that 21,090 is greater than 21,009. D, compare 6,802 and 6,820, which is greater. Well, they both have a 6 in the thousands, they both have an 8 in the hundreds, and then we have a 0 and a 2 in the tens. So 6,820 is greater. Compare the numbers using greater than or less than. E, we have 45 and 54. And if we compare the tens, we know that 54 is greater. And remember, with the greater than less than signs, think of them as a little mouth, and it always eats the bigger number. For F, we have 932 and 923. They are different in the 10 spot, and 932 is greater. For G, we have 5,676 and 5,675. The only place they're different is in the 1 spot, and 5,676 is greater. For H, we have 6,321 and 6,279. The first place they're different is the hundreds, and 6,321 is greater. For I, we have 11,122 and 11,211. The first place they're different is in the hundred spot, and 11,211 is greater. For J, we have 86,321 and 86,279. The first place they're different is in the hundred spot, and we know that 86,321 is greater. For K, we have 120,932 and 102,923. The first place they're different is in the 10,000s, and we know that 120,932 is greater. For L, we have 707,213 and 778,689. The first place they're different is in the 10,000s, and we know that 778,689 is greater. For N, we have 707,213 and 778,689. The first place they're different is in the 10,000s, and we know that 778,689 is greater. For P, we have 707,213 and 778,689. The first place they're different is in the 10,000s, and we know that 778,689 is greater. Please make sure you have all the work copied down and glue both pages in your math notebook.